Hello, welcome to Asia's Handmade channel. We are here with the 7th video of the Let's Crochet Together series. In this video, we will do BLO together. To learn how to crochet step by step, you should definitely check out my Let's Crochet Together playlist. Let's start. BLO stands for back loop only, a crochet technique used to create texture and definition in your work. Identify the stitches. Look at the stitch from the top. You'll see 2 loops on each stitch, the front loop, the loop closest to you, and the back loop, the loop farthest from you. Insert your hook. When you reach the point in your pattern where you need to crochet in the back loop only, insert your hook into the back loop of the stitch. Crochet as you normally would. I prefer double crochet. You can find my How to Crochet Double Crochet video link in the description. I recommend you visit my Etsy shop link in the description for easy crochet patterns with step-by-step tutorials. You can crochet lots of lovely things with these stitches. This technique creates a raised texture on the front side of your work, which can be very visually appealing. For example, my Christmas tree pattern, I use BLO all stitches. You can find the written pattern of the Christmas tree in my Etsy shop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you on the next project. Happy crocheting!